yesterday's link off, it was red. These three are the last three separate colors in the pattern. Remember when I started? I showed you how to do it and it told you you could do whatever colors you wanted to. I chose red, white, and blue on purpose. There are three colors that are in our flag, and we will do some flag study later in the year. And when we study social studies, that means we learn about our world, our city, our nation, our state. These colors will come back and we will continue to use them and learn about them. But once I cut off that red one from the other day, then these are left. In a pattern, which I had, red, white, blue, red, white, blue, red, white, blue, this, the part that repeats, is called a unit. Let's put that in our brain 3 times. Unit, 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 and press it so it sticks. Just saying. That word will come up again when we study patterns later around November or so, but it's only September now. But it's good to know that ahead of time. So I'm down to my last unit of the long pattern that went with the chain. Red was the first one, then came white, then came blue, then I'm thinking about is this one, because you know. I'm taking a breath because I'm really feeling really excited. I'm just going to compose myself and ready. 1, 2, 3. Go put this here. And I've been trying to make the number of cuts to match the number, so I'm going to see if I can do this with just 3. And when I did 10, it was very 10 tiny little cuts, but now it's reasonable, down to 3. So, okay. 1, 2, and 3. Yes. Only that many left. Today's. Now, I'm not going to work on the at home with the board and things behind. I can put this right up here on this big whiteboard. This is a big whiteboard that Mr. Silberman and I will be using throughout the year. We'll hang things on here, and then we'll show things on here. And so I have some markers right nearby. I'm going to use those. And the numeral poem to go with this numeral, I've used these markers before. Okay. The numeral poem that goes with this numeral is, I'll tell you first, it's around a tree, that's the way to make a, tree. Okay, so it looks like this. Maybe I'll do it on the board because it's bigger there, and then I'll move it over to this, so it's just easy for you to see. Okay? So, think about 3. It goes in this direction. If I go in that direction, it would be backwards. So, around a tree, that tree's around a tree, that's the way to make a 3. That's what it is. So, okay. I'll do it one more time and then I'll put it on here and then I'll move closer over by you. Okay? Around a tree, that's the way to make a 3. And now again, you decide the color. You can do 3 3s like I've been doing that matches the number that I'm writing, the numeral I'm writing. Or you can make a rainbow one, your choice. So you put that over here. And so on the paper, around a tree, that's the way to make a 3. And then you know the number that's going to come after this. That will be Sunday. The number that will come after that on Monday will be, and then the next time we are together, it won't be through a recording. Thank you for coming to the recordings. But then it's going to be live and in person. I'll be in our classroom. Mr. Silberman will be in the classroom. And we'll be teaching you and talking to you, but you'll be right there. And we'll see you, and we'll hear you, and we'll be able to talk to you because we'll be in the same virtual space. Right now, you're home looking at this at a different time for other people. On Tuesday, we'll be right there in your homes with you watching. I know, right? That's a good thing. Okay, see you